You search for how to buy shares of Amadeus Fire AG. Amadeus Fire AG is a German staffing and personnel services company listed on Xetra as AAD.de, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. Using eToro as an example, sign up, verify your account with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar. Type the ticker AAD.de and select the matching Amadeus Fire AG listing on Xetra to open the asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary and price chart. Check recent trading data and confirm this is the correct Amadeus Fire AG listing before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, review order details and fees, then confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may execute at the next market session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will request you add money before confirming. After the trade is placed, the position will appear in your portfolio. For the example platform link and more information, check the description below.